In 2005, Emma and Robert were living a comfortable life with good jobs, a nice house, and 2 kids. They earned a lot of money but spent most of it, relying on credit cards and saving very little. When Robert lost his job in 2020, they couldn't keep up with their expenses and had to sell their house and move to a smaller place. Their story shows that living beyond your means can lead to financial trouble, no matter how much you earn. Emma and Robert's situation is a stark reminder of the importance of financial literacy at different life stages. Despite their high income, their lack of savings and reliance on credit cards left them vulnerable when an unexpected job loss occurred. This highlights a critical lesson. Financial stability isn't just about how much you earn, but how well you manage your finances. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of financial literacy, going beyond the conventional wisdom to uncover how it can empower you at every stage of life. We'll tackle essential topics like budgeting, saving, and investing, and explore the critical intersection between financial literacy and mental health. These practices aren't just about avoiding financial pitfalls, they're about building a secure and fulfilling life. Whether you're embarking on your career, nurturing a family, or gearing up for retirement, mastering financial literacy is your key to navigating life's financial challenges with confidence. Join us as we break down misconceptions, advocate for financial education in schools, and reveal how a solid understanding of financial principles can protect your mental well-being and pave the way for a brighter future. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Financial literacy means knowing how to manage your money well. It's important at every age. Young adults need to learn about budgeting and paying off student loans. Middle-aged people should focus on saving for retirement and investing wisely. Seniors need to ensure they have enough money to live on and protect their savings. Each stage of life has different financial challenges, and being financially literate helps you handle them better. Financial literacy begins with understanding your spending habits and ensuring you can meet your long-term financial goals, such as retirement. To be financially literate, you need to master 4 personal finance rules. Let's start with the first one: optimizing your earnings. Optimizing your earnings is crucial. Think of it as your personal stream of resources flowing from your hard work and skills. The primary rule of the financial literacy game, it emphasizes income management. Because, my friends, understanding your income is like having a roadmap to financial success. It guides you to make the most of what you earn. Now, let's take a look at Sarah's savvy strategy for financial stability. Sarah is a recent college graduate with a degree in marketing. She lands her first job at a reputable firm, but she knows that managing her income wisely from the start is crucial. Sarah sets up a budget, tracking her expenses meticulously. She allocates a portion of her income to pay off her student loans, another portion to savings, and the rest to her living expenses. By doing this, Sarah ensures she's not just earning money, but also building a solid financial foundation. But Sarah's journey doesn't stop there. She understands that income isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. So she starts learning about the power of investing. Sarah takes advantage of her company's 401(k) plan, contributing enough to get the full employer match. She also opens a Roth IRA, diversifying her investments to include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This way, Sarah is not only saving, but also growing her wealth over time. Here's a little joke to lighten the mood. Why don't financial advisors ever get lost? Because they always know the way to the bank. Just like Sarah, who's always on the lookout for more ways to save and invest. And speaking of investing, there's a timeless piece of wisdom. It's not just about how much you earn, but how much you save and make work for you. That's Sarah in a nutshell. She could easily splurge her income, but she opts to invest prudently and ensure her financial security. Now imagine if Sarah took her passion for financial literacy and started a YouTube channel. She shares tips on budgeting, saving, and investing, making complex financial concepts easy to understand. People start tuning in. They love her simple, down-to-earth advice on managing money. Sarah's channel starts generating ad revenue. That's Sarah's new income stream, trickling in like a steady stream of dividends. She's not just making money, she's making more money while she sleeps. That's passive income. My friends, like having a money tree in your garden. Now, this is financial literacy at its best. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. Smart, right? To wrap things up nicely, let's bring in a quote from the renowned financial expert, Suze Orman. The key to making money is to stay invested. Sarah's taking these words to heart, and so should you. In this story, Sarah turns her financial knowledge into a gold mine, all by being a bit savvier than the average person. She found what she did best and did it so well that her financial situation couldn't help but improve. That, my friends, is the art of financial literacy mastered. Leverage your unique skills, stand out in the crowd, and watch as your financial stability grows from a trickle to a steady flow. With enough intelligence, dedication, and a touch of creativity, you could be the next financial whiz. Next up, beyond conventional wisdom in our financial literacy journey is debunking common misconceptions. These myths can be as misleading as a mirage in the desert, steering you away from sound financial decisions. Let's break them down and set the record straight. One of the biggest myths is that you need a high income to be financially secure. This is simply not true. Think of your income as the fuel for your financial vehicle. It doesn't matter if you have a full tank if you're driving recklessly. Emma and Alex's story is a perfect example. Despite their high earnings, their lack of financial management led them to financial trouble. The key takeaway? It's not about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. Emma and Alex were living comfortably with good jobs and a nice house. They earned a lot, but spent most of it relying on credit cards and saving very little. When Alex lost his job, they couldn't keep up with their expenses and had to sell their house and move to a smaller place. Their story shows that living beyond your means can lead to financial trouble, no matter how much you earn. Let's introduce another character to our financial literacy, Saga Sarah. Sarah is a school teacher who earns a modest salary. Despite this, Sarah has managed to build a solid financial foundation by budgeting wisely, saving diligently, and investing smartly. Sarah's story debunks the myth that a high income is necessary for financial security. By living within her means and making informed financial decisions, Sarah proves that financial stability is achievable at any income level. Another prevalent myth is that investing is only for the wealthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. Investing is like planting a tree. You don't need a forest to start. A single seed will do. Over time, with proper care and patience, that seed can grow into a mighty oak. Anyone can start investing with small amounts. Take the example of Mia, a young professional who started investing with just $50 a month. By consistently contributing to her investment account and taking advantage of compound interest, Mia's small investments have grown significantly over time. And speaking of investing, let's dispel another myth: that you need to be an expert to invest. The truth is, you don't need a finance degree to start investing. With the plethora of resources available today, from robo-advisors to educational platforms, don't forget to check a wide range of free videos on this channel about personal finance. There's something for everyone, and it's all available at no cost. Anyone can learn the basics of investing and start building their portfolio. To wrap things up, let's bring in a quote from financial educator Dave Ramsey. You don't have to be a millionaire to invest, but you have to invest to be a millionaire. Sarah and Mia are living proof of this wisdom. They've taken control of their financial futures by debunking these common myths and making informed decisions. So take a page from their book. Don't let myths hold you back. Embrace financial literacy, make smart choices, and watch as your financial health improves. With enough knowledge, discipline, you too can achieve financial freedom. All right, let's dive into why financial education in schools is crucial. Our next subject. Beyond conventional wisdom, imagine if kids learned about money the same way they learn about history or science. They'd be equipped with the tools to make smart financial decisions from a young age, setting them up for a lifetime of financial stability. Think of financial education as a superhero training program. Just like superheroes need to learn how to use their powers, kids need to learn how to manage money. Budgeting, saving, and understanding debt are like the basic skills every young hero needs. These lessons are the foundation of financial literacy, helping kids grow into financially savvy adults. Let's meet our young hero, Jamie. Jamie is a middle school student who loves video games and dreams of becoming a game designer. In school, Jamie learns about budgeting through a fun classroom activity where students manage a mock budget for a month. Jamie realizes that spending all the allowance on games means there's nothing left for other fun activities or saving for a new game console. This lesson sticks with Jamie, who starts saving a portion of the allowance each week. Now, let's talk about saving. Schools should teach kids the importance of saving money, even if it's just a small amount. Think of saving as planting seeds in a garden. Over time, those seeds grow into a lush garden of financial security. Jamie starts a savings account and watches the balance grow, learning the value of patience and consistency. Debt is another critical topic. Kids should understand that borrowing money comes with responsibilities. Schools can use simple examples to explain how debt works and the risks involved. Imagine if Jamie learns about debt through a story where a character borrows money to buy something, but struggles to pay it back. This story helps Jamie understand the importance of borrowing wisely and avoiding unnecessary debt. Here's a little humor to lighten the mood. Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems, just like Jamie, who learns to solve financial problems with the right education. And speaking of education, let's dispel the myth that financial literacy is only for adults. The truth is, the earlier kids learn about money, the better prepared they are for the future. Schools play a vital role in this by incorporating financial literacy into their curriculum. Consider the impact of learning to budget at a young age. A child who understands how to allocate their allowance wisely is more likely to grow into an adult who can manage their salary effectively. They learn to prioritize needs over wants, set financial goals, and make informed spending decisions. This foundational knowledge can prevent the pitfalls of living paycheck to paycheck and foster a sense of financial stability. Saving is another crucial lesson. When students grasp the concept of saving early on, they develop a habit that can lead to significant financial security. Just as a small seed grows into a mighty tree, small savings can accumulate over time, providing a cushion for unexpected expenses and opportunities for investment. Teaching the power of compound interest, where money grows exponentially over time, can inspire students to start saving early and consistently. To wrap things up, let's bring in a quote from financial expert Robert Kiyosaki. "The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth." Jamie's story shows that with the right education, kids can develop a strong financial mindset that will benefit them throughout their lives. So let's champion financial education in schools. By teaching kids about money early on, we can help them make smart financial decisions and build a secure future. With enough knowledge, discipline, and a touch of humor, our young heroes can achieve financial freedom. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far and want more content like this, comment the word "more" so I'll notice. All right, let's delve into the intersection of financial literacy and mental health. Do you recall the story of Emma and Robert? The couple with dreams and aspirations found themselves in the throes of a financial crisis. What led to their anxiety and depression? Buckle up as we explore the factors that intertwined their financial struggles with their mental well-being. Picture this. Emma and Robert, like many others, faced a perfect storm of financial challenges. One key player in their story was their lack of financial literacy. They had dreams of owning a home, traveling, and securing their future, but without the right financial knowledge, their plans began to crumble. First, the mounting debts hit hard. Emma and Robert found themselves juggling multiple credit card bills, student loans, and unexpected medical expenses. It's like being in a race, where the finish line keeps moving further away, making it difficult to keep up. Then, the stress of not knowing how to manage their finances added fuel to the fire. They felt overwhelmed by the complexity of budgeting, saving, and investing. It's like trying to build a sturdy house without the right tools, and just when it starts to take shape, a storm of financial challenges threatens to tear it down. But wait, there's more. The constant worry about money took a toll on their mental health. Emma and Robert experienced sleepless nights, anxiety, and a sense of hopelessness. It's similar to carrying a heavy burden that weighs you down, making it hard to see a way out. Now let's talk about the psychological aspect. Imagine being in their position, the pressure, the responsibility, and the weight of financial uncertainty on your shoulders. Decisions made under such stress can sometimes lead to unintended consequences. It's like juggling too many balls and one slips through the fingers. As a result, Emma and Robert found themselves in a tight spot, grappling with financial instability and its impact on their mental well-being. The consequences of financial mismanagement were stark: strained relationships, diminished self-esteem, and a constant state of worry. It's a cautionary tale that illustrates the importance of financial literacy in navigating life's financial challenges and maintaining mental health. By learning how to budget, save, and invest, Emma and Robert could have felt more in control of their finances, reducing their stress and improving their overall well-being. Financial literacy is not just about managing money. It's about empowering individuals to make informed decisions that positively impact their mental health and quality of life. Well, folks, we've navigated through the intricate world of financial literacy, and I hope you're as excited as I am about the journey we've embarked on. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering yourself at every stage of life. So what's the big takeaway? Be the architect of your financial destiny, whether it's debunking common misconceptions, advocating for financial education in schools, or understanding the profound connection between financial literacy and mental health. It's all part of the grand adventure. Embrace the wisdom beyond conventional financial advice, and let it guide you towards a future where your financial decisions align with your dreams and well-being. Keep learning, stay curious, and most importantly, take charge of your financial story. Here's to a financially literate and mentally healthy future. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. It is important to conduct thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Now, if you found this video helpful, I highly recommend watching my next video, which is the perfect complement to this one. Don't hesitate to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.